Today I'm doing a quick homestead update. Um, Behind me you can see I've been working on this pond. We've been in a severe drought. We've got about a half an inch of rain in about a month and a half to 2 months, which dried out this pond. So it was only about 1.5 to 2 feet deep whenever it was full. So I really was wanting to dig this out some more. So I guess I'm taking the opportunity that I got with the drought, and we're going ahead and digging it out. I probably spent maybe 3.5 hours digging out dirt from this over a couple days. It's coming along, as you can see. It's getting deeper and deeper. So I'm going to keep digging. I'm going to leave the grass on the banks to kind of help with the erosion as water flows in. And I'll take a little peek here behind us. If you look right up here, that's the end of the swale right there. So the swale runs right along here. So when that swale spills off on this end, then it'll run down this grassy area and then drown into the pond. So I'm going to keep working here, try and dig out a little bit more of this before we get rain. They're calling for a chance of rain on Thursday and again this weekend. I also have a pump coming, so if we do get this, if this does fill up with rain by chance, I should be able to pump it off and let it dry back out and get back in here to finish the job. So stay tuned and I'll try and get more updates.